I'm riding Villopoto. This is my Kawasaki 450. I run the Renthal 998 bar, arc levers, obviously Kawasaki suspension, Dunlop front tire. Those will vary on tracks. For the rear tire, same Dunlop, but it'll basically be the same. We'll always run that. It'll vary on tracks. We'll change suspension, just clickers every once in a while on stuff that I need to change or feel that could be better. We have a little bit different setup for mud, but obviously it's got to be muddy, and this weekend will be good, so this is how it'll be every weekend.